Hey, good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at pound dollar. On the daily chart, we can see that a break and close below the low that has happened, and right now market going to indecision candle. Don't jump in too fast because what we can see, if you look left, it is just nicely seated on the previous lows and highs. So this could be a trick that the market is setting up and will give you a stronger bullish run. For our chart, this is what we see, a break and close below the low. Of course, that's what we can see on the daily chart. And this is pretty much on the 1 hour as well. Alright, so back to daily, let me share with you my analysis. Alright, so just right before that, you can see that right now I'm using moving averages. If you have not known, just scan this QR code, get into our page, interact with our traders. Myself will be there. Learn the first course, trading course for beginners. It's pretty insightful. You get to learn a lot of things, and once you're done, then you can move on to other courses like moving averages and stuff like that. By the time everything will be we'll have even more courses coming up. I'm planning for 3 more courses. All right, and you scroll down further, if you're on members, then you get to receive all our trade ideas, our entry, stops, and targets, where we receive our stops, dollar yen data. You get to see there isn't any risk on the trade anymore. There's only upsides, no downsides. All right, and for this month, we will cut down on harmonic pattern trading for the month of October because it's more trendy this month, and that's pretty much we expect this month to be. All right, so over here is pretty straightforward. I'm waiting for a market to open to go in aggressive, and there are other factors like whether the market have a big gap towards the downside, then I'll scrap the idea. But if it doesn't, and of course it doesn't gap up too much, I'll head in for aggressive buying opportunity over here. Alright, so 4 and 1 hour, pretty much nothing much. While I can see for a retest of the low at 1.2702, what I can do is do a right click, send an alert over here, and once the market touch this price, I'll receive my alert and ask myself, do I want to enter based on a retest of support? Should shoot it all the way up for base of the daily chart. Alright, so that's all I have for you today. Till then, remember always plan your trade and trade your plan. Looking forward to see you soon.